This is the zip that's broken that we need to remove, and we're going to replace it with this one. This is an invisible zip, this is a regular classic zip, but it's fine. I'm going to show you how to put a classic zip into a zip opening. First, you take an unpicker and you just need to remove the zip, the old one. So just break the stitches and remove it. So we can throw that away. Pull out some of those extra threads. Now we take the new zip and we're going to pin it all around in between the skirt fabric and the lining. When we fit the zip, we don't want to fit it like that because that means you're going to have this gap. You need to get that very end of the zip right at the top of the waistband, which means folding that top area away, and we want to get that little silver stopper as close as we can right up to that waistband, and we're tucking it in between the skirt and the lining like that. We make sure that's all inside. Like that. So then when we finally zip up the skirt, the zip pull will come right up to the top now. So you're going to go down that side and pin the zip in between the skirt and the lining, and you need to catch both the lining fabric and everything all in your pins. Aim to get the teeth of the zip only just sticking out there. You can even cover them if you want and make it a covered one, but for simplicity and ease, I'm going to show you with the fabric just touching the edge of the zip. And pin it and make sure that you've caught the lining in with the pin. And then we're going to go back up the other side. What's kind of important is we want to make sure that these lines are level and the top of the waistband's level. We don't want, when we've stitched the zip in, for those to be mismatched like that. We want to keep them level. And also checking that, look, I've not pinned that very well there, the lining's gone skew-iff, so I just keep double checking that you're pinning the line into it as well. If you don't have lining, then you can ignore that, it's a simpler thing. Then all that's needed now is you take that and stitch it on your machine, but you need to use a zipper foot. So this is a zipper foot. Let's get a bit closer in. And this is a regular one. If you were to use the regular one, while you're stitching, and you're going to put, the needle's going to go there, you need to get close to the edge of your zip. This is, the zip's then bulking, it's going to move that foot around. By using the zipper foot, you can get the needle really close to the edge of that zip there, and there's no extra bulk on the foot to get in the way with the zip, so we're going to use the zipper foot. So you take your zipper foot, and you're just going to stitch right down one side, right angle at the corner, across, right angle, and back up to the other side. And that's it. Just need to pull those out and cut them away. Any stray threads from previously. And there we've got a new zip that we can now use again.